Here's a quick cat video. Every time I go, he's biting his tail. Every time I go to package up one of our engines, he jumps into any box I have out. These banana boxes are really handy. I cut them up and I put them inside my box that I'm shipping to make extra wall for the mower, or excuse me, the motor. And then I package paper all around it too. But he loves... Oh, here comes brother. Oy. He's got it. Up, up. Now Mom's got it. Yeah, you guys gonna play together? Josh is too old. He doesn't play. Josh, are you too old to play? No. See, no, I'm not. Well, maybe it. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh. I love playing with the cats. I do have more work to do. But just a little bit of play, right? Yeah. Watch, like, and subscribe. Thanks.